the 2025 Honda Accord remains a favorite among mid-size sedan enthusiasts, especially for those who appreciate a blend of reliability, comfort, and performance. While the newest generation has made strides in hybrid tech and design, many buyers are still drawn to the 10th generation Accord for its proven track record. In this 8-minute video, we'll walk through the key components that define the Accord, both under the hood and throughout the cabin, along with their estimated market prices. Starting with the engine, most 10th Gen Accords came equipped with either a 1.5-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder or a more powerful 2.0-litre turbo engine. The 1.5 litres engine produces around 192 horsepower and offers great fuel economy, while the 2.0 litres puts out 252 horsepower for those who want more spirited performance. Replacing the 1.5 litres engine can cost around $3,000 including labor, while the 2.0 litres engine swap might run closer to $4,500. The CVT, continuously variable transmission, paired with the 1.5 litres engine is efficient and smooth. On the other hand, the 2.0 litres variant uses a 10-speed automatic transmission, which is responsive and durable. A used CVT replacement typically costs about $2,500. While the 10-speed automatic can cost $3,800 or more. The Accord's suspension setup includes a McPherson strut front and a multi-link rear suspension. This contributes to its balanced handling and comfort on rough roads. Replacing all 4 shocks and struts can cost around $1,200 with labor. The infotainment system includes an 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. While the screen itself is fairly reliable, replacements can range from $600 to $900 depending on the parts and labor involved. In terms of braking, the Accord uses ventilated front discs and solid rear discs. Brake pads and rotors for all 4 wheels typically cost around $600 including labor. For those upgrading to performance parts, prices can go higher. Interior comfort is another highlight, with dual-zone automatic climate control, a power-adjustable driver's seat, and optional leather upholstery. Replacing a worn leather driver's seat can cost about $1,000, while standard fabric seat replacement is closer to $600. Lighting includes LED headlights and taillights on most trims. Headlight assemblies are about $400 each, and taillights cost roughly $250 each. If a full headlight unit needs to be replaced due to an accident or wear, the price can double depending on trim. The Honda Sensing Suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision mitigation braking. These features rely on various sensors like radar and cameras. A front radar sensor costs about $1,200 to replace, and a lane camera around $500. The battery and alternator are crucial to keeping the vehicle running smoothly. A replacement battery runs around $200, and the alternator costs roughly $600 including labor. Wheels and tires vary by trim, but 17 or 19-inch alloy wheels are common. A full set of wheels with decent tires can run from $1,000 to $1,500, depending on brand and condition. Finally, the body components like bumpers, hood, and doors are well built but can be costly to replace after an accident. A front bumper can cost $800, a hood around $1,000, and each door approximately $1,200. The 2025 Accord continues to be a dependable choice, even in its older generation form. Whether you're maintaining it or thinking of buying one used, understanding the costs and components involved helps you make a better decision. Stick around for more breakdowns, maintenance tips, and buyer guides.